Unraveling the Mystery of Hairbrush, a Simple Guide. Hello, dear viewers. Welcome back to our channel where learning English is made easy and fun. Today, we're going to demystify a common English phrase that you've probably heard quite often: hairbrush. Stay tuned as we brush up on the basics and ensure your understanding is as smooth as a well-combed hair. When we talk about a hairbrush, we're referring to a tool or implement with a handle and a bristled head used for styling, smoothing, detangling, and cleaning hair. The term is made up of two words: hair, which refers to the strands that grow from the scalp of your head, and brush, an object with bristles that can be used for cleaning, grooming, or applying something. When combined, these words describe an item exclusively meant for taking care of your hair. Believe it or not, there's a whole world of hairbrushes out there. Let's comb through the main types. Paddle brush, great for smoothing hair and massaging the scalp. Round brush, ideal for adding volume and curls while blow drying. Wide tooth comb, a type of brush that's perfect for detangling wet hair. Vented brush, designed with openings to allow airflow, which helps reduce drying time. Boar bristle brush, known for distributing natural oils and promoting shiny, healthy hair. Each type of brush serves a unique purpose, and choosing the right one can make a world of difference in your hair care routine. Using a hairbrush might seem straightforward, but there's an art to it. 1. Start from the ends. Gently detangle the ends of your hair before moving up towards the roots to reduce breakage. 2. Use gentle strokes. Harsh brushing can damage your hair and irritate your scalp. 3. Clean your brush. Regularly remove hair and buildup to maintain hygiene and brush performance. 4. Choose the right brush for your hair type. Different hair types benefit from different types of brushes. And there you have it, a thorough guide on the hairbrush. Whether it's detangling knots or styling your hair to perfection, the right hairbrush can be your hair's best friend. We hope this video has untangled any confusion and that you're now more confident in your English language learning journey. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. See you in the next video.